Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another special recipe. This one's for my Yiayia Olga stuffed grape leaves. Now they're called dolmades. You might have heard them as dolmas, and this is the Greek version. They're stuffed with ground beef, zucchini, and rice. They are just melt in your mouth, delicious. Now she used to make these in her restaurant, and that's where I used to spend almost all of my summer vacations bonding with her. They were just the best memories. They're easy to make, so let me show you how. Let's get started. Γεια σας όλοι, σήμερα θα κάνουμε dolmades. Αυτό είναι το καλύτερο γιατί ήρθε από τη γιαγιά μου. Now, just real fast, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell because I have a bunch of recipes that I post weekly. So, again, let's get started. Now, this is a very basic recipe. It's full of a lot of fresh ingredients. We're going to be chopping up 1 onion along with 2 zucchinis. I have a few green onions and half a bunch of fresh parsley. Now, be sure to dice everything small, but do not chop it too much because the pieces of zucchini and onion are really going to make this dolmas nice and moist. I'm adding this to a big bowl, and I have here 2 pounds of ground beef. And I'm going to be adding 1.5 cups of raw rice. Now this rice is going to cook inside of the dolmas. I also added a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and I'm going to give this a drizzle of olive oil and mix everything together, and then we're ready to stuff our grape leaves. So these here are my grape leaves. You can find these in your grocery store. They come in a salt water. So what I'm going to do is take these out and I'm going to rinse them to take all that saltiness out. And then I'll be draining the water afterwards. Now to stuff these grape leaves, it's very simple. I'm just taking a spoonful of the ground beef mixture and I'm putting it right in the middle of the grape leaf and wrapping it up kind of like a burrito. Be sure that the veins of the leaf are facing up, and don't forget to take off the little stem if it has it. After they're all done, I'm going to be putting these in a nice big pot. I have a steam rack on the bottom, but it's not that necessary because my Yiayia never used to use one of these, but I find it works really well. So place all your dolmas in there, and I'm going to be filling this halfway with water. I added a tablespoon of butter and topped them off with a few of the extra grape leaves to make a good amount of steam, or you can also use parchment paper. Bring them to a boil and lower your heat and let them steam for about 45 minutes to an hour. This is how they look like when they're done. The rice should be nice and tender inside. These smell amazing. It really brings me back to my childhood years at my Yiayia's house. These dolmades are so delicious and they're so addicting. There's no way that you could just eat one because the texture is just so amazing. Now be sure to serve these with some fresh squeezed lemon juice and some full-fat plain Greek yogurt to dip them in. Now I really hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you want to try these out one day and close your eyes and imagine that you're in Greece, the recipe is written down below. Now let me know what you guys thought about these dolmades in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new so you won't miss out on my weekly quick and easy recipes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Wow.